I'm the designer teacher and teacher of Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the February 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Rest is Radical, and we also have a focus on Black-owned businesses. The first thing you'll see when you open up your crate is this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by Tamara Moore of If Pencils Could Talk, and it has the quote, "Caring for myself is not self-indulgence, it is self-preservation," and that's an act of political warfare, which I think is particularly true for teachers right now. Next, we have a handmade soy wax candle. This is from the Small Business Journey Natural, and the scent is amber, and it is a rich amber sandalwood musk. It's a really, I think, kind of unique, spicy scent, a little different from other candles that we've done before. We have two wearable items this month. I will start with these buttons. These are from Diavion Blue Innovations, and it is a set of 3 Teacher Essentials pins. There is a coffee mug, a pencil, and sticky notes, all Teacher Essentials. So you could wear these on a teacher bag, a lanyard, jean jacket, wherever you want. Next, we have a sticker. I'm super excited about this. Look how cute. This is by artist Ave Rivera, and it says "Rest is Radical," and it has this cozy little blob with its mug and cute glasses. And it's a nice big sticker, so great for a laptop. I think I'm gonna put mine on a planner, wherever you want. Okay. Next, we have this Herbal Soak Detox Bath Salt, and this is all natural from Butter Love by Elsie. Okay. Next, we have sticky notes. And these are white sticky notes, so great for jotting notes that you can actually show up. You know, sometimes when there's a busy pattern, you can't see what you wrote, but then it has this really beautiful little apple botanical design, and this is from Teacher Noir, the design. Okay. Our other wearable item this month is a mask chain. I have been wanting one of these for a while. You can see it's kind of a boho design with different color rainbow beads, and then black and white and little tassels. So you wear it like this, and then you clip these little clasps onto your mask, so that, of course, you want to be wearing your mask most of the time, but if you need to take it off for any reason, like to eat or drink, it'll be right here, and so you don't lose track of it. And then, of course, I always want the things in the crate for you to be able to use long term. So hopefully when we're no longer wearing masks anymore, you could also just clip the ends together and use it as a necklace, or you could also use it as a glasses chain. Okay. Next, we have a face mask. Not the COVID kind, the skincare kind. And this is a Puraterra face mask, French green complexion clay. And this is from Love by Being Apothecary. Opening it carefully because it is a powder. And you mix this clay powder with 2 parts of the clay powder and 1 part water, and then apply that to your face. Let it dry and then rinse off. Okay, and then, you know, we always have a treat. This is the Golden Goodness mini chocolate bar from 2 Owl Chocolatier, and this is caramelized sugar in a sweet white chocolate. It's a really tasty one. So that is everything that comes in the February 2021 Teacher Care Crate. Again, you have your herbal bath soak, you have your clay mask, your amber candle, your Golden Goodness mini chocolate bar, sticky notes with an apple design, super cute mask chain, Rest is Radical laptop sticker, your set of Teacher Essentials button pins, your art print, and of course, just your info card. So if you are not already signed up, head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by February 14th. And please check out some of these amazing small Black-owned businesses that are featured in this month's crate. Thanks for watching.